Hello, my name is Jason Lee, and I am taking a class called Biomedical Mechatronics by Dr. David Groh, and this is for our first Waypoint 1 homework. So as you can see, this will be for my biomedical engineering project where I will be using a prosthesis on my left hand, and on my right hand I'm going to use three sensors, which you can see here: this potentiometer, this accelerometer, and this push button right here to help me control this claw on my left hand that's controlled by two different servos motors. So what I'm going to show you today is my accelerometer moving in about the y-axis and changing the LED lights. So as you can see here right now it's perfectly still, but when one light on this side is on, it's supposed to represent the claw being completely open. And then when all six lights are on, it represents the claw being completely closed. So as I can show you here, as you move it here all the way to one side, you can notice one LED is on. And as I move it across, you can see that all the LED lights are slowly turning on. And this is to represent the claw closing. I'll go back. And you can see it's going back, three LEDs, 2, 1, all the way back. So, now to show you my potentiometer, it's going to control one side of the servo motor. So, as you can see here with my potentiometer, I'm going to have it, this is at 0, and here's when it's supposed to be all the way open, is when the potentiometer is over here to one side. And as I slowly turn it, you can see all the LEDs turning on. As you can see here, all the way to here. And that's supposed to represent totally closed. Then I'm going to turn it back, and you can see the LEDs slowly turn off as I turn the potentiometer knob all the way to the other side to represent closed, or open. I'm sorry. So if I move this all the way to one side where it's meant to be closed, this push button right here, if I push on it, what I want it to do in this instance, it turns on only one LED light, but when we have the claw, I want the servo to go all the way to this open position where the claw is totally open. And then when I push off the button, I want it to go back to this position back here. So if I push down, it'll stay like that, open position, and then to turn off, when I have my finger off, it'll go all the way back to close, back to the position I have in the potentiometer. So as you see here, if I go back to the middle, if I turn my knob back to the middle, around there, and if I close it, it'll go back to 1. See? Turn the knob, press the button, it goes back all the way to an open position. And that's what I want. And then when I lift my finger off the push button, it goes back to the position my potentiometer is, which will control the grip of the claw. I may not have mentioned this before, but the accelerometer controls the roll of the claw. And that concludes my 3-sensor video of the Waypoint 1 homework for biomedical mechatronics at New Mexico Tech. Thank you.